Hello everyone, my name is Sidna. I work with Kijani Mtaani, a community initiative focused on restoring land in dry areas like Kaani. And in places like this, water is everything. It's where restoration begins for us. Without water, even the best ideas won't grow. So we have to start small, making sure the land is ready to support life again. And everyone plays a part, and together the impact builds.
Okay, nye kilanda ngole ni youth yet kwe kasa nondo wane ma nondo ne mana ya to no materi matu kwa nondo mawe ne ma ye kwe da mawe kwa uke ka ne wato ne ka youth no support we ka kwata.
This land has seen a lot: drought, overuse, and neglect. But it's also full of potential.
Kwa wakulima wanawake tuko na shida. Unapata shamba ni dogo, bwana anataka kulima na wewe akilima pesa anaweka kwa mfuko. Kwa hivyo sisi kama wanawake tunategemea kupanda vitu kwa ngunia, ama tunafanya ka kitchen garden yenye inatusaidia.
Young people, especially young women, are often left out of decisions about land. But we are showing that we have the skills, the energy, and the will to farm differently. And this is our way of taking ownership. We grow different types of indigenous beans, seeds that have been with our people for generations.
This is my seed bank, where I do some sort of preservation of our indigenous seeds. Bearing in mind that we have climate change which has been contributed by doctored seeds, doctored technologies. Then we've forgotten about our indigenous seeds which were there, passed down by our ancestors, our foreparents. There is need for them to be in place because some of them are culturally acceptable. As we normally say, mwachamila ni mtumwa. That who does live his culture is a slave. So if we leave our indigenous seeds, we become slaves of the hybrids, slaves of doctored seeds. So that's why there is need for us to preserve our indigenous seeds, which are culturally acceptable by the community, which are nutritiously high in nutrients, and which are adaptable to the climate, local climate ecosystem.
Many older women in the community still grow traditional grains like millet and sorghum, and their work keeps this knowledge alive. Restoration isn't just about planting trees. It's about rebuilding our local food systems that work for us.
In the heart of Rwanda, the Dufatanayi organization is leading a powerful movement restoring landscapes and transforming lives. Today, across 7 green villages of hope, we are working side by side with over 237 people. Over 2.3 million fruit trees, fodder trees have been planted. These trees are more than plants. They are food, income, and a shield against climate change. In our green villages of hope, families grow food in kitchen gardens, care for chickens, and receive training in sustainable farming, nurturing both the land and lives. Over 345 children receive chickens and fruit trees, giving them nutrition, responsibility, and hope for tomorrow. At our demonstration organic farm, farmers learn how to farm without chemicals, preserving biodiversity and growing health from the soil up.
20 liters pump. So in 20 liters pump, you only use 100 ml. make sure that the pesticide mix well. You make sure you wash it completely to help that plant.
After finding that 2 out of 5 girls miss school during their periods, we created eco-friendly sanitary pads made from banana fibers. So far, more than 3,500 pads have been distributed, restoring dignity and education for girls. 15 women are transforming waste into beauty. Through our weed program, plastic bottles, paper, and banana fibers become eco-friendly products that empower and inspire. The youth are the heartbeat of our work, taking action in agriculture, arts, and climate justice. As part of the GLFX global network, our impact reaches beyond Rwanda. From trees to chickens, Paths to Hope Dufatanae organization is building a better future. Join us, support us, be part of the change.
Hello, I'm Jerry Joel, founder and co-founder of the School Food Forest Initiative. We are here in Namutumba at Victoria Primary School. This is one of the few of the nursery, fruit nursery beds that we started, and some of them that we used to grow the fruit trees that we use to plant in schools to make them school food forests. Maybe you can show them some of the species we have. You can come closer. Come close. Now this is a rare type of the avocado that we have. This is an avocado type that grows faster and is resistant to harsh temperatures, diseases, and drought. This is one of the few that is grown here in Africa that can manage the terrain of Africa, especially sub-Saharan Africa, eastern Uganda. It is first of all drought resistant and also disease resistant. Then we can walk you through to show you the wider range of the avocado tree that we plant or we work on. Currently, we are in Namutumba. These are the young ones that have grown up to 2 to 6 months up to now. They are at this stage. Those are the other ones that are outgrown that have not yet been planted or transplanted to the main gardens.
Hello, my name is Kamanzi Claudine from Rwanda. I'm project lead of Forest for Life. So this Forest for Life is made by 4 young restorists. In these videos, we'll be talking more about our initiative, when it started, mission and vision, as well as the challenges that we're facing and the impact. We will be sharing more about how we engage with our local communities.
Hello, my name is Adeline. I'm a part of Forest for Life project. So our initiative is about restoring the drylands in Kayovu village, located in Bugesera district, which is one of the driest districts in Rwanda. So we do this by working with local smallholder farmers as well as primary schools. By working with farmers, we empower them by giving them education about the importance of restoring their lands using indigenous native tree species. And then after training them, we provide them with some tree seedlings to allow them go apply the knowledge we provided with them. Then also be able to restore the degraded lands of their agricultural plots. We also work with primary school in order to cultivate the spirit of environmental conservation and restoration among younger generation at their area age. So we also give some tree seedlings to these schools to give a good example to those kids and make them get the passion for restoration.
Hello, my name is Zofira Response. I'm a member of Forest for Life project. One of the challenges we are facing is the sourcing of native indigenous seedlings, as these trees are rare in our region. So to source them, it requires more money, that's why we need more funds so that we can have a great impact in our region. Another challenge we are facing is the climatic condition, as we are working in the dry land. So sometimes some species fail to grow, so it requires too much attention and also too much monitoring so that we can irrigate those trees so that we can get what we want.
To address the climatic challenge, we have decided to use the simple irrigation technique by using a water bottle, where we pour water into that bottle, and that bottle is having a hose which releases water slowly into the seedlings. To address these challenges, we have decided to establish our own nursery of indigenous trees. This nursery hopefully is going to be full by the end of this August. And the way we are engaging the local community, we are trying to have the frequent visit in their farms and trying to work with the local leaders. We have decided also to work with the primary schools, where we are working closer with the head of those schools.
As you have heard more about Forest for Life project, join us
to restore the dry land
of Kayovu village
for greener future.